Hello guys, welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about constant paper jams. If you seem to be to be getting paper jams every second or third page, every second or third page, the main culprit is the paper you are using. The main culprit is the paper you are using. If you use paper of poor quality, if you use paper of poor quality, the wrong thickness or the wrong texture or the wrong texture you increase the changes, you increase the changes that it will cause problems, that it will cause problems. Double check that the paper you are using, that the paper you are using is hot, the printer manufacturer is hot, the printer manufacturer dictates for quality and type, dictates for quality and types. Don't load too much paper into the feeder tray. Don't load too much paper into the feeder tray. Make sure the paper sheets, the paper sheets are neatly aligned before placing them in the tray, in the tray. You may also want to fan the pack of paper before putting it into. Make sure that none of the papers that none of the pages are struck together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my